Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. And I just want to give my introduction. This is Ramya. I think you all are here after getting my video to you. Yes, you are. What are you thinking is absolutely right. I really want to start my weight loss journey, but this time I just want to make it little different. Maybe you are thinking that why one more weight loss journey YouTube channel. Well, there are a lot many weight loss journeys. There are a lot many people who are sharing their experiences, and there are a lot many dietitians, nutritionists, and there are people who are sharing their weight loss journeys to everyone who lost 10 kgs, who lost 12 kgs, 25, 40. They are sharing their experience. Yes, there are people who are losing their weight so soon, but there are people who are losing their weight slowly. I am one of them, and you all are thinking that why I want to start this journey. This is not the first time I had started this journey. If you want to know entire story of my journey, if you want to share my journey, if you want you people to share your journey with me, or if you want to follow me, if you want to lose your weight along with me, please subscribe. If you want to know how I am losing my weight, please stay tuned and please follow me and subscribe to my channel to know how I am doing, how I am losing my weight. And the only reason why I want to share my journey with every one of you is there are people who are losing their weight as 10 kgs in a month, 5 kgs in a month. But there are people who are thinking in their mind, why it is not happening to me? And why many people are losing weight so soon? And why I am not able to lose weight? Yes, I am one of you who are listening right me like you. Even I saw many people who lost weight so soon. When I am like someone like you sitting in front of my phone and watching those videos and thinking why it is not happening to me, why it is happening to them. I just want to share things. Not everyone's journey is same and everyone's journey is different. This is the reason why I want to start my weight loss, share my weight loss journey, not start my weight loss journey, because this is not first time I started my weight loss journey. Since ages I'm trying to lose my weight. There are days when I lost my weight so soon, and there are days when I get back it so soon, and there are days when I stagnant lost weight, and there are days when my weight was so high, like not the peak. If you want to know the journey of mine, if you want to know the previous journey of mine, stay tuned for the next video, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will link down all the video, uh, all my social media links. And please don't misunderstand me. This is the first time I've been sharing my video. Might be little bit confused to you, since even I am confused like what I want to speak and what I want not to speak. But in this journey, uh, I will share a few of mythbuster things like that, and the things that I followed. This is not I'm not a nutritionist, and I can't afford a nutritionist or a dietitian. So I want to make sure that I had choose my diet my own. This is not any diet that I adopted from any YouTube channel or anything. These are things that I followed, and these are things that I am following since 2 months. I really wanted to start my journey 2 months back, but a severe uh, a medical condition happened to me. If you guys think that there is a slight difference on her face or anything, if you feel like that, please watch my two previous videos. You will get to know the reason for that. I will link down below if you want to know, if you want to um, know the reason why it is happened and what's the reason behind it. So please check into that. And a few things I want to share in my upcoming videos is my weight loss journey. This is not any diet or anything that I taken from YouTube or anything. These are simply diet that I am eating since my childhood. So I get to know the conclusion that you should follow only things what you have had eaten in previous past or anything, and you have to go through that and you have to follow that. This is what the first thing that I learned since my 10 years weight loss journey. In the So if you want to know any details, please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for more content. This is not the content that I am preparing. This is only my journey that I am sharing with you guys. So if you like this, if you feel to watch it, so please stay tuned. So I will see you next on my next video. Thank you so much for watching me. And please leave your comments if you want to share any details. If you are someone who wants to start weight loss journey with me, so please you can pick any diet that available on YouTube, or you can prepare your own diet. I would suggest you to prepare your own diet instead of picking a diet from YouTube, because the diet that it worked for them might not work for you. It's one more thing that I learned during my experience. Past 2 months experience taught me a lot, and I am learning all these things, and I am following these things. So please do it on your own, research it on your own. If you feel like that diet works for you, please go ahead. I would like to give a thumbs up for you if that like really work for you. I just want to know which diet that work for you. Please share your tips and tricks that worked for you. May work for me or anyone who are watching this. So please leave the comments below if you are on weight loss journey, if you want to start a weight loss journey, or if you want to share your weight loss journey, how many kgs, and if you want to know how many kgs I lost since the past 2 months. Please stay tuned. I will share it on my next video. Thank you so much for watching this, guys, and bye bye.